Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're talking about swollen ankles and feet, a common discomfort that can be caused by a variety of factors including standing long hours, certain health conditions, and dietary habits. But did you know that certain remedies can significantly aid in reducing the swelling and discomfort? We've got your back. Let's be real, swollen ankles and feet can leave us feeling uncomfortable and immobile, but it doesn't have to be that way. Get ready for 10 incredible remedies that'll help alleviate swollen ankles and feet and restore your comfort. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our health tips. Remedy 1. Elevation. If you have swollen ankles and feet, elevating them can be a big help. This means lifting your feet up higher than your heart. You can do this by lying down and placing your feet on pillows. This position helps your body move fluids from your swollen ankles and feet back toward your upper body. Try to keep your feet up like this for about 20 to 30 minutes, several times a day. This remedy not only reduces swelling, but also gives you a chance to rest, which is always a good thing. When you elevate your feet, make sure they're comfortable and supported so you don't strain your legs. Remedy 2. Compression socks. Compression socks are special socks that gently squeeze your legs. This gentle pressure supports your veins and helps your blood flow better. Better blood flow means less swelling because it stops fluids from collecting in your feet and ankles. You can find compression socks in different sizes and tightness levels, so it's important to pick ones that fit you well and feel good. You should wear these socks during the day, especially if you know you'll be sitting or standing a lot. They are also very useful when you travel. For example, wearing them during long flights or car rides can really help keep swelling down because you might not be able to move around much. Remedy 3. Saltwater soak. A saltwater soak is a relaxing way to reduce swelling in your ankles and feet. Salt, especially Epsom salt, is known for its ability to help reduce inflammation and pain. To make a saltwater soak, simply fill a large basin or your bathtub with warm water and add a cup of Epsom salt. Stir it around until the salt dissolves completely. Then, just soak your feet and ankles in the water for about 15 to 20 minutes. The warm water helps to improve blood flow, while the salt helps to draw out excess fluid and ease swelling. This remedy is not only effective, but also gives you a chance to sit back and relax after a long day. You can do this a few times a week, especially on days when your feet feel particularly swollen. Remedy 4. Magnesium supplements. Magnesium is a mineral that plays an important role in many functions within the body, including the regulation of nerve and muscle function. Some studies suggest that magnesium can also help reduce swelling by improving circulation and reducing water retention in the body. If you often have swollen ankles and feet, consider adding a magnesium supplement to your diet. However, it's always best to talk to your doctor before starting any new supplement to make sure it's safe for you, especially if you have health conditions or are taking other medications. The recommended daily intake of magnesium varies, but generally, adults can take around 300 to 400 milligrams per day. Magnesium supplements come in various forms, such as pills, powders, and even in certain foods like almonds, spinach, and whole grains. Incorporating these into your daily diet can also help boost your magnesium intake naturally. Remedy 5. Exercise. Exercise is a great way to help reduce swelling in your ankles and feet. When you move around, your muscles work like a pump. They help push the blood and fluids that gather in your legs back up toward your heart. This can help prevent and reduce swelling. Simple activities like walking, swimming, or cycling are especially good for this. Even if you're sitting or standing for a long time, try to take short breaks to move around or do some light stretching. This keeps the blood flowing and can help keep swelling down. These small movements are helpful if you have limited mobility or if you spend a lot of time at a desk. Aim for at least 30 minutes of light to moderate exercise most days of the week. Not only does it help with swelling, but it also improves your overall health. Remedy 6. Hydration. Drinking plenty of fluids, especially water, is crucial when you're dealing with swollen ankles and feet. It might seem counterintuitive to add more fluids when you're experiencing swelling, but staying hydrated actually helps your body maintain a proper balance of fluid. When you're not drinking enough water, your body holds onto the fluid it has, which can increase swelling. Aim to drink at least 8 8-ounce glasses of water a day, more if you're active or it's hot outside. You can also eat foods that are high in water content like cucumbers, strawberries, and watermelon, which help with hydration. Remedy 7. Massage. Massage is a wonderful way to reduce swelling in your ankles and feet. When you massage your feet, it helps improve blood flow and encourages the excess fluid to move away from the swollen area. You can do a simple massage at home. Start by gently rubbing your feet with your hands, using circular motions. Begin at your toes and slowly work your way up to your ankles. Applying light to moderate pressure is usually enough to help with swelling. You can also try using a foot roller or a tennis ball. Simply roll your foot over the roller or ball, applying gentle pressure. This helps to massage the bottom of your foot and can be very relaxing. Try to massage your feet for about 10-15 minutes each day, especially in the evening after a long day of standing or sitting. Remedy 8. Diet changes. What you eat can have a big impact on swelling in your ankles and feet. Some foods can make swelling worse, while others can help reduce it. For example, eating too much salt can cause your body to retain water, leading to more swelling. Try to limit salty foods like chips, canned soups, and fast food. Instead, focus on eating fresh fruits and vegetables, which are naturally low in salt and high in nutrients. Foods rich in potassium, like bananas, sweet potatoes, and spinach, can help balance the amount of fluid in your body and reduce swelling. Drinking enough water is also important. Staying hydrated helps your body flush out excess salt and fluid. Remedy 9. Herbal remedies. Herbal remedies can be very effective in reducing swelling in your ankles and feet. Certain herbs have natural properties that help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow. One popular herb is dandelion. Dandelion acts as a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body get rid of excess water. You can make dandelion tea by steeping dried dandelion leaves in hot water for about 5-10 minutes. Drink this tea once or twice a day to help reduce swelling. Another helpful herb is ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and improve circulation. You can add fresh ginger to your meals, drink ginger tea, or take ginger supplements. Turmeric is another herb that can help. Remedy 10. Consult a professional. If you have persistent swelling in your ankles and feet, it's important to consult a professional. A healthcare provider can help determine the underlying cause of your swelling and recommend the best treatment options. Sometimes, swelling can be a sign of a more serious condition, such as heart, liver, or kidney problems, or issues with your veins. During your consultation, your doctor will ask about your symptoms, medical history, and any medications you are taking. They may also perform a physical exam and order tests, such as blood tests or imaging studies, to get a clearer picture of your health. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible remedies for swollen ankles and feet. Don't forget to give them a try and let us know which ones worked best for you in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.